Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your operating system so you pick the right controls. Once done, make sure the device is plugged in or brightness is mid-level so color changes are visible. Now open Settings directly. On Windows, go to Start then Settings. On Mac OS, click the Apple menu then System Settings. This begins the actual setup. You're not prepping, you're entering the exact panel where night or dark options live, so proceed without delay. You'll now enable the feature and tailor it to your needs. On Windows, go to System, Display, then Night Light. Turn it on and slide color temperature toward warmer tones to reduce blue light. On Mac OS, choose Displays then Night Shift, pick a schedule and move the slider for a warmer effect. Make sure to set either sunset to sunrise or enter custom times so the feature runs when you need it. These steps reduce eye strain and improve evening sleep quality. Finish by confirming the effect across apps. Open a browser, a dock, and a video to check tint or dark theme consistency. If night mode is missing, make sure graphics drivers and the OS are up to date. Install updates and restart, because many display features depend on driver support. If colors look wrong, toggle the mode off and on, or reset display settings to defaults. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most issues quickly, letting you use night mode reliably every evening.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.